Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a typography design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these two colors, which I use. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a artboard size rectangle. Apply the black color to it. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Select the Type tool and type the text. Change its font to Poppins Bold. And case to upper. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Then go to the Line tool and draw a line. Apply the white stroke to it. Hold the Alt button and drag for a copy of it. Then press Ctrl+D for duplicate. Adjust the line using the Direct Selection tool. Select the lines. Go to the Edit menu and copy. Now select all. Go to the Path Finder. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. And click on the Divide button. Then paste the previously copied lines. Double-click on the text, go to the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white shape. Edit and cut. Press Ctrl+A to select all, and hit Delete. And paste in front. Now hold the Shift button and select the parts between the top two lines. And apply this color using the eyedropper tool. Repeat the process. Go to the Magic Wand tool and select this color. And drag it a bit. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.